Those of you with smaller cars or marine and power sport vehicles have a tough time finding audio gear, mainly since you don't have a ton of space to work with and smaller power supplies. First world problems, I can't fit a 15-inch subwoofer on my ATV. So how do you add some power to your system without sacrificing space? Kenwood's KAC-M3001 is a compact Class D monoblock amplifier designed to be mounted in tight places. That's what she said. This amplifier is like the size of a Game Boy Color from 1998 and has a tiny footprint, so you can easily bury this amplifier somewhere out of sight, like under a seat, glove box, rear deck, wherever. This is perfect for applications where space is a factor and conventional amps won't fit. That's what she said. The conformal coated circuit board helps keep moisture out, but really it mostly aids in preventing damage from vibration, so components don't move out of place inside the amplifier, especially on vehicles like ATVs when you're just bouncing around like crazy. And yes, the amplifier is marine capable, but it's not a floaty. It's an amplifier. It's not splash or waterproof. Treat it like any other amplifier and install it somewhere devoid of direct sunlight and moisture. The subwoofer output terminal features a plastic covered plug that provides further moisture protection for the connection. I didn't mean to rhyme that. Protection for the connection. And don't judge this book by its cover, alright? Kenwood rates this amplifier a whopping 300 watts RMS at 2 ohms and 200 watts RMS at 4 ohms. But let's not get ahead of ourselves and put it through some tests. First up, we'll test the 4 ohm load. Single channel driven, 14.4 volts, and a 40 hertz test tone. We were able to pick up about 105 to 106 watts RMS on our audio multimeter. Our oscilloscope read 20.6 volts. Power consumption of 145.3 watts and a current of 10 amps. Moving on to a 2 ohm load, we managed to squeeze out about 230 watts RMS pre-clipping. 20.7 volts on the oscilloscope, power consumption 332 watts, and a current of 23 amps. However, the amplifier became unstable being pushed hard. It exhibited a lot of the same behaviors that all compact monoblock Class Ds do, where they're okay with a continuous output for a short period of time, but then they decrease in output. The reason being the small power supplies built in. Although it didn't fully live up to its specs, the KAC-M3001 is still a very powerful amplifier given its size. I would say I'm disappointed, but seriously, how can you complain about something the size of like a Hot Pocket being able to power a subwoofer? Ham and cheese for the win. Plus it's under $100. You can't beat that value per watt. Yeah, value per watt. I just made that up on the spot. I keep rhyming, what the f? We recommend using 10 gauge power wire for installation. Be sure to go online and check out all of our amplifier installation kits, links in the bio. The amp features a built-in low pass filter, input sensitivity control, 2 RCA level inputs, a 30 amp fuse, power terminals, and speaker output terminal. The KAC-M3001 will accept a signal from just about any source, whether you're using RCA cables from an aftermarket receiver or speaker wires from a factory radio. Thanks to Signal Sense Turn On, when you use the speaker level inputs, the amplifier will sense the signal and turn itself on, so you won't need to run a remote turn on lead to your car stereo. Be sure to go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today. Links in the bio. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button, but if you hate it, click the dislike button. Join the conversation below, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and thanks for watching.